Hey, this is Brian Young again with another HP7 car. Okay, now this is a 440X2 chassis. Usually has a split magnet. The HP7 has a complete magnet across. I don't know if you can see that. Not probably not. This is a Thunderbird. I mean a Corvette, a 9024 Corvette. Is that good? Can you see that? Weird. Lighting is kind of pretty bad, huh? We're right under the light here. And this is an HP7.
Straight in front and then it'll... Yeah, that's perfect.
And that's the HP7 Corvette. 9024. Available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Look at all the Tyco cards we got. We got about 15 or 20 of them. Okay? You can go places other, but you can come to me for everything. That's the key. You can go other places to buy your stuff. Might be $1 cheaper. But you're not going to get the service that I'm going to give you. At ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, hit the notification bell button, and baby, HP7.